Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $120 every hour watching YouTube videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm at the first site. I'm going to show you two sites today. So the name of this site is UDashCube, and as you can see here, it says UDashCube. So when you look for this website, type in UDashCubes.com. Now, as you can see here, it says earn cash online, and you're going to be able to view websites, complete surveys, and watch videos. And they have sent out over 20,000 payments. And you see how many members they have: 734,335 members, and they've been around since 2007. So you know this is a legit website that's been around for a while and helping people make money. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. So you can also earn some extra cash or advertise. So you can click on this video and it'll tell you a little bit more about that, guys. And let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So you can refer friends and earn up to 15% commission from your referrals and their referrals. You could do paid surveys, so complete online surveys and tasks in exchange for real cash, guys. Not no coins or anything, real cash. So you can also get paid to view websites and explore the internet. You can also promote your business, guys. If you have a business, you can promote your business on here. And you can, of course, what we're talking about today, watching videos. So you can watch videos, earn money watching videos provided by offer walls. And get paid. So you can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. So you got to have one of those three. So if you have PayPal, that'd be good. If you have Bitcoin wallet or Ethereum wallet, that's also good to collect your money. Now guys, what I'm going to do is click right here and just show you a little bit more about this website so you can see firsthand how it works. So they have view sponsored ads, and they have the offer walls right here. All different type of offer walls, as you can see. But let's go ahead and click on view sponsored ads. So all this talks about the sponsor ads and how you're going to be making this money just viewing ads. So as you see here, you can earn Bitcoin every day, top website traffic. And once you click on here, all you do is 10 seconds, guys. I know the amount is real low here, but if you keep watching these ads every day, because they're going to have some available every day, it's going to add up, guys. It's going to add up. So guys, I just want to show you this part. I mean, once you sign up on this website, you can go check everything else out, all the other offer walls. So if you want to go ahead and get started making some money on this site, just go to UDashCubes.com. Now let me go ahead and go to the second site. All right, guys, I'm at the second site, and the name of this site is BucksInside. So on here, you're going to get paid every 10 seconds. So at BucksInside, you get paid just for browsing our advertisement websites. At BucksInside, you can cash out instantly. At BucksInside, you can cash out at only $2. So once you get $2, guys, you can cash out. So as a member, you can earn simply by viewing the advertisement we display. And of course, the minimum payment is $2. And they also have a form you can go to. Let's click on that. So here's the form right here. So they got news about this website. So they got a lot of threads here that you can check out on different subjects. So your success stories, payment proof. So let's just click on payment proof. So these people here are giving you payment proof of what they have earned. So you can come here if you think this is not legit. You can come here and check out some payment proof on here. And I'm not going to be long on this website. I'm going to go ahead and end it right here, guys. I just wanted to show this extra website that you can check out. So if you want to get started on here, go to BucksInside.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these websites. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, I want to do one other thing before I go. I want to do a shout out. What I'm going to do is flash a comment on the screen. So today's shout out, it goes to this person. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Hope you are sharing all my videos, and hope you're liking them. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. Road to 7,000. Let's get there before next month, which is the month of August. Let's get there, guys. All right, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day.